The videos are kind of messed up, but these are the pipes already. I welded it together and bent them. The header's already turning gold. I only had them on for like a day with no pipes. This is how it sounds with no pipes. Damn, nigga, that shit was so loud, that shit knocked off the remote. Or wherever that remote came from, that shit flew off. These are the stock gaskets that it came with. These motherfuckers was all busted open, having foam in them and shit. And this is me getting in the car, showing the rest of it.
Little tools on it.
This is got a text from you saying I'm here.
All that shit welded together.
You barely got it?
Shit, what the fuck? My phone's fucking
Damn, what the
weird.
fuck? It looks like my transmission pan's leaking or something. Or my engine.
Go.
Whatever that shit is.
How's the guy at fucking when I got the one that Napa, right? The header's checking me shit. And when I was checking it wrong, I got a little thing to check the gap, right? I tied the fucking the bolt.
That shit sounded louder with no pipes. That shit should have kept off the pipes. This is the video of me doing a pull in it.